think you're a very interesting person. I want to ask you about a few things. Well,
Okay.
one thing I heard about you, and I don't know if it's true or not, I assume it is, that you could fit all of your possessions, everything you own, into one suitcase.
Almost everything. I have some kitchen items that my grandma is using, but other than that, yeah, everything that I own and use are in a carry-on suitcase.
Is this suitcase enormous? Is
No,
it like
it's
the
like
size
carry-on.
of... It's a little suitcase.
Because I figure if I only own a few things and it gets lost, then I would have nothing.
That takes an unbelievable amount of self-control. It really, I mean, it does.
You know what it was? Is I was gone. I was only home for 15 days last year, and I got home and I was like, I don't want to be alone. I want to be with my friends and my family. Home meaning LA. So I got rid of everything just so that I could have one suitcase that would be easy to transport between houses and just kind of couch surf for a few months. But it's so refreshing, and it takes so much stress away when you're like, oh, I only have one pair of jeans to wash. You know? It's so nice. It's so nice.
And so, do you have a house?
No, I used to. I gave it to my grandma. So my grandma.
You gave it to your grandma? Are you allowed in it now, or is she...
No, it's only hers. I'm never allowed back.
So where do you live, then?
Literally on friends' couches. I mean, I was only here in LA for 2 months. And so, you know, when you're home, you kind of want to soak up faces and places, like familiarity, and feel comfortable. And then I leave again. And
do you take everything with you when you leave? All of your possessions?
Yeah. I'm gonna take them with me.
Wow, that's something else. Do you have like a phone?
I used to not have a phone. I do have a phone right now because we've been doing so much press, and they were like, Shay, we need to be able to get a hold of you. So here's a temporary phone, and we've taped the number to the back of it, so you won't forget it. It's kind of hilarious.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you have a computer or an iPad?
I do have a computer. No iPad, yeah.
Oh, wow. And so you do have a computer, and then just a few articles of clothing?
A few articles of clothing. I've got, you know, the hoodie situation, a few basic tank tops, T-shirts.
If the airline were to lose your luggage, you could say, I lost everything.
I probably could.